Hello fellow crafters, this is the Girls Craft here at Scrappiness, here to introduce to you the Bunny Trio Craft Die. This cute die set is packed with all types of fun for Easter projects. This die set comes with 6 pieces of dies that consist of 3 different size bunnies. We have a large bunny that measures 3 1/4 by 1 7/8 approximately. Then we have the medium bunny, which is approximately 1 1/2 by 2 1/2. And then we have the small bunny, which is approximately 2 inches by 1 1/4 inch. I'm going to die cut these off camera so you can see how they look when you die cut them. So this is what you get when you die cut them. I cut them out of 3 random colors, and they have matching little tails for them as well. I think they're adorable. You can probably cut them glitter. Maybe if you're great with drawing, you can create a face on it. I think they're just adorable. Here's a quick card that I created with this project. Links to the products are located in the description box below. Please like and subscribe and hit that notification to get updates on new video. Can't wait to see what you guys create. See you soon.